Alan, thank you. The new UK strain of COVID-19 has made its way to the coastal bend. Nueces County is the second area in Texas the more contagious mutation has found itself.
3 News reporter Ashley Gonzalez shows us how Nueces County health officials are responding to the man who recently traveled to the United Kingdom.
Barbie, John Thomas, as of Sunday, in all of Texas, there are only 2 reported cases of the UK COVID-19 variant strain, one in Harris County and one right here in Nueces County.
It has been found in 8 U.S. states and also in more than 33 countries around the globe.
Dr. Srankant Ramachadruni is the local health authority for Nueces County. He says the patient is a male between 60 and 70. He added the patient traveled to the United Kingdom for a family emergency, but before leaving the UK, he began to feel ill. Local officials say the patient came back to Nueces County sometime between the 29th to the 31st of December. He then immediately quarantined inside his home in Corpus Christi. The man is currently being supervised by Dr. Ramachadruni.
What I was told, his symptoms were having severe headache, and he's currently recovering, which is good news.
He says right now is the time to keep our guard up against this new virus because it's already in our backyard. And even though it does not increase the risk of death or cause more severe symptoms, passing it to someone else is much easier.
It is known to be more contagious and can cause increase in infectivity rate by 60 to 80%.
He says the COVID-19 vaccines that are being distributed right now nationwide protect against this new strain.
It is crucial everyone receives the COVID-19 vaccine as soon as possible as they qualify under various phases.
Health experts want to remind the community, until vaccines become available to the general public, we must continue to social distance and wear a mask. Reporting for First Edition, Ashley Gonzalez, 3 News.